If you are old like me, you will love the cars that they have in here. The Mercedes S-Class W126, the Cadillac Fleetwood, the old Porsche, and also we have one here. Look at that, guys. Amazing. I'll show you also one of my favorite cars. The R129. I love this one.
For summer starts, you can just visit our garage. There's a free checkup for the coolant leakages and everything. It will be very helpful for the vehicle owners. So people are all most welcome for the Capital Auto Repairing for checking all free of cost.
I am really impressed with two things, honestly. The workshop has the most friendliest people I ever met. And the second thing is that I have all the beautiful cars from my era in 80s and 90s. And I would like to welcome you. Thank you for joining again. I want to ask you, can you tell me more about your workshop?
Yeah, definitely. We just started on 2000. It was on the main road of Umsuken. So we were working there for the 10 years. Then we shifted over here. So we are having mostly customers from Springs, Meadows and all. We are doing all kind of vehicles, especially the German and everything. Mostly we are doing Land Rovers, Range Rovers and everything. The premium vehicles, the German vehicles, that is our mostly branded vehicle for the repairs. And we have all our equipments, scanning tools and everything we have. All our customers are mostly happy, like we can tell 99% they are happy.
I witnessed that. Okay, sir, I want to ask you a question.
Yes, sir.
What are the services that you are providing?
Normally, see, we do like from whatever the car required, like from the basic service to major service. We have all kind of service, like the minor service and the major service.
So in summary, you have the electrical, mechanical, paint job,
Yes.
everything.
Yes, we have.
Also the modification somehow.
Exactly, that's
Yes.
Okay, fantastic.
And simultaneously, we are specialists in all classic cars also. We do, as you know, you saw our
Restoration.
workshop,
Restoration.
we
Fantastic.
do, everything we do.
Yeah, I wish I can buy one of these. Okay.
Of course, we have lots of offers over here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, is there any special rates for the people watching this video?
Yes, sir. When you come over here, we definitely give you a best price.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Where are you located?
We located in Alcus, Industrial Area 4 and 13th Street.
And we will list all their contact details and the map on the description box below.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Most welcome. His question is ours.
Good afternoon. I want to ask you, what are you doing now?
Just to read the whole.
Reading the codes.
Yeah,
You have a lot of devices, as I can see.
I have all Maxis diagnosis and Star also,
Uh-huh.
and OD ICOM also I have. Volkswagen
Uh-huh.
and Bentley also.
Okay.
For this, only for specialist Mercedes
Okay.
and Star. And
Star is the original Mercedes
yeah,
one.
Mercedes, original Mercedes.
Yes, yeah.
And second one, this one Porsche.
Porsche.
Now only speed limit, seat belt warning. Then
Okay. And here, what you have in here?
this for all diagnosis,
All
cars.
generic.
All general.
Okay.
This for Maxis for only Land Rover.
Okay.
Land Rover means supported the more than Land Rover.
Okay.
Dr. Car channel and mobile application are the best.